Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. Today I have great news for you if you are a holder or staker either of Solana, Cosmos, or TIA. So there is an airdrop going on and you are still on time to claim that. So I'm going to show you my browser and explain what you need to do to get your airdrop. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, as you might have remembered, we are in full airdrop season and it doesn't matter that Bitcoin is going a little bit lower. Actually, that's a buy the dip opportunity, but we are here today to talk about making money without needing to buy extra crypto. So if you are holding one of the tokens I just mentioned, and even a lot more than these tokens, you might be getting an airdrop. I already checked my wallet and I got some really nice tokens. They are not on the market now, so we are not very acquainted on how much they will be worth, but hopefully they will be worth a lot. So I'm going to show you my browser so you can follow along, and I'm going to talk a little bit about other airdrops and then head to this main airdrop, which you still have 1 week to claim. Okay guys, so this is first, before I get to that airdrop, there's some news about this other one. And if you have watched our MarginFi airdrop guide, if you have not, I'm going to place a link over there. But if you have, you already have a number of points in this ecosystem. They just announced on Twitter yesterday that they will be doing an airdrop. They will be creating their own coin, publishing it and dropping to the people who are farming this airdrop. Now, remember guys, all you need to do for MarginFi is borrow and lend. And depending on how much you borrow and how much you lend, you will get a set amount of points. Over here, I have around 42,000 points. I have lent some crypto on this platform since, if I remember well, this is December. So it's been less than a month and I have a number of points. I don't know, they have not explained how much those points will translate to the airdrop, but if you have not started lending or earning, I urge you to do so because they will be dropping the token soon and they might do a snapshot pretty soon. They have not mentioned the dates, but I'm sure it's going to come in the next weeks. So now let's get to the other airdrop. And this is related to this because if you are holding and staking Solana, you will get this airdrop, but you need to claim it, guys. It doesn't happen automatically. This is the website. It's called, actually, this is the protocol. It's called Dymension, and they will be dropping their token DYM, if I remember well. And I'm going to place the link to this website on the description of this video, but suffice it to say it's genesis.dymension.xyz, Dymension with a Y. So if you don't want to remember this, you just go ahead and click on the description of this video. So here's what you need to do. Over here, if you read, we still have 8.5 days to claim. Today is January 12th. So by January 20th, you should claim your token. So hopefully you're watching this video before that. Now, here's the thing. You can be eligible to this airdrop if you have funds in any of these tokens. So if you're watching this, you most surely will have Solana. And all you have to do is input your wallet here. I've already claimed, so I'm not able to do this because I'm going to get a message that you just claimed. But you just enter your, actually, let's do this. As you can see, once you click on check, it will tell you whether you have you are eligible for the airdrop. It told me I was, and then it asked me to input the Ethereum address of my wallet where those funds or those tokens, the airdrop tokens, will be sent to. Now, if you have several Solana wallets or a Cosmos and Solana wallets, all you have to do is enter the same the Ethereum address, and then you will be receiving those tokens once you are airdrop. Everything could go to one same wallet. So in this case, I was eligible for 115 Dime or DIM. I don't know how much that's going to be in terms of USDC or USDT, but it's nice, guys. And I didn't have to do anything other than farm this other protocols that we already discussed in that other video. So once you have done this and entered your Ethereum wallet, all you have to do is come back on the browser. Sorry, Just enter the genesis.dimension.xyz, select another chain. So, I mean, it doesn't hurt to check, guys, your Ethereum wallet, Cosmos, Celestia, right? If you have tokens in any of these, you will potentially be eligible. Now, the thing is, you need to have held those tokens in December. So if you just created your Solana wallet, you might not be getting those airdrops. The same thing with the other wallets. But most surely you have had your Ethereum wallet for a while, so it doesn't hurt to try that. And again, guys, you will need to input your eligible wallet, and then you can enter a different wallet, especially if you're going from Solana to Ethereum or from Cosmos to Ethereum. Those eligible tokens, the ones you're going to be airdropped, then those need to go to an Ethereum wallet. So that's all you need to do, guys. It's really easy. And basically, I urge you to do this before the end date. As the time flows forward, normally there's a lot more people trying to do this, and the website might get glitchy, and I don't want you to miss the opportunity because you waited too long. So try this, guys. It doesn't hurt. If you have these tokens by the end of 2023, you might get a really, really good surprise. If this video was useful to you or interesting, do like this video and subscribe to the channel, because we keep talking about airdrops, crypto gems, and in general, how to make money in the crypto sphere. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.